Hello, little explorer. Ready to swing into the jungle and count some silly monkeys? Let's go! Look up there, one swinging monkey, and he has a friend. There are two swinging monkeys. Can you say one? Can you say two? Say it with me. One and two swinging monkeys. Look at this monkey. What is he eating? Yum yum. He looks very happy. It's one very hungry monkey. I wonder where are all his friends? Here they are. Look at all these cheeky monkeys. How many are there? 3 cheeky monkeys? Can you say 3? Oh wait, where did they go? Splish splash! They went for a swim. A group of monkeys swimming. The whole family is swimming. How many monkeys are swimming? Can you tell me how many monkeys are swimming? Look at that cuddle pile. 4 sleepy monkeys. Can you say 4? Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. 4 monkeys. Awesome counting. These monkeys are very active. Let's count the monkeys one more time. 1 monkey, 2 monkeys, 3 monkeys, 4 monkeys, and 5 monkeys. So many monkeys. They like to have a lot of fun. Great job, explorer. See you next time for another adventure.